I'm over here with the Evo regular now because the Evo 2 was a complete dud over there at the factory because it kept disconnecting the app. So let's see if this does that.
Start
okay,
recording.
We're going to start recording and then we're going to take off. Oh, the takeoff button's not working. Okay.
The home point has been reset.
Take off manually. Now let me see if the obstacle avoidance is on. Yes, it is. Yeah, the wind's picking up a little bit today, but Evos are pretty good, but you never know, right? What the heck are they doing over there? Evo's right above me. Me turn around. There's the scrap yard. There's the bridge where I shoot some videos here and there. Yeah, Flying good. No disconnects. Yay! Should be right above me, and it is. Okay, so I'm pushing it straight at me. Okay, so, and nothing's happening. You see, it's went off to the side there. So it won't come anywhere near me. Now if I turn off the obstacle avoidance, so you see that, right? Personally, I think it flies better, and so does the other one without that. I mean, if you're in a touchy area, you know, you might want to use it someplace you're not familiar with. But you see how nicer it flies. How much nicer it flies without that. Now see, it wouldn't do that. It wouldn't fly like that if I had the obstacle avoidance on. Because once it did that banking and started turning toward the ground that low, the obstacle avoidance would pick up the ground and it would stop it. You know, it would start making it hesitate and jitter around and do that kind of crap, which is what I don't like. And that's why a lot of times I turn this off. You know, because you can't do that. You see how it's tipping down like that? The obstacle avoidance ain't gonna let that happen. Okay, that's gonna be a no dice. Okay, a no dice for banking like that. Yeah, no dice. I'm like a bullfighter. Alright guys, there you go, Evo. Regular old ass Evo. Man, what a great drone this still is. What a great drone this still is, and shame on Autel for not keeping up with it. Man, oh man. Yeah, you really want to fly and have some fun with this thing, turn that obstacle avoidance off. Yeah. Now you got to remember, every time you restart the drone, it automatically turns that back on, okay? And I didn't know that before. I just figured that out today. Okay, so, yeah, you definitely want to be turning that off. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'm going to land her up here, shut that video off.